Hello students, today I am explaining important problem in unit 4. Here our question is what? Find the curve of best fit of the type y equal to a into e power bx to the following data by the method of least squares. Here given x values and y values. Okay, we need to fit a curve for these values. Okay, so for that what curve they given? Y equal to a into e power bx. So to fit a parabola or curve, any straight line, we need to find the normal equations. Okay, so for that to find normal equations directly we can't find why, because here e power bx is there, so that's why apply log on both side. Okay, so both side now, that's why here log and here log. So log y equal to log of a into e power bx. Both side we applied log. Now we have formula log mn log m plus log n. So product means we get here plus. So here a into e power bx is there now. So that's why log a plus log e power bx. This is m and this is n. So log m plus log n. Okay, after that this two same log y equal to log a. Here log m power n formula is n log m, so that's why that power becomes beside of this value so bx equal to log e. Here base not there, that's why here we are taking as e. Okay, log e base. Why? Because here we have e now, so that's why here I am applying log base e value. I am both side applying, that's why you get log e base e. Log e base e value is what? 1. So bx into 1 we get bx. So what we got? Log y equal to log a plus bx. To convert into straight line form, I am taking this value is capital Y and this value is capital A. So let capital Y equal to log y and capital A equal to log a. Then equation becomes y equal to this value we taken y and this value taken a. So that's why y equal to a plus bx. Okay, now we need to find normal equations. Why? Because we need to fit a curve for the given values, x and y values. Okay, so that's why we are finding normal equation. How to find normal equation? Apply both sides summation y equal to, this is capital Y, summation capital Y equal to this side also we need to apply summation. So after adding a n, how many times we are adding? N times. So that's why NA we get. Okay, suppose we are adding 2 5 times means 2 into 5 10. So like that we are adding a n times means we get NA, and here summation of bx means constant right outside we get b into summation x. So this is the first normal equation. Second normal equation means for this equation first multiply x small x and apply summation. After multiplying x here we get x capital Y, that means summation x y, and after multiplying x here ax we get, that means a into summation x. After multiplying x here we get bx square, that means b into summation x square. These two are the two normal equations. Okay, here how many unknown values we have? Two unknown values, that's why we want two normal equations. Okay, now we want summation y, summation xy, summation x square, all values. What values they given? Small x and small y. Right here small x and small y. We required capital Y so capital Y is nothing but log small y base e. Okay, in your scientific calculator once check where is log base e symbol. So on that symbol you need to click, after that enter log 10, log 10, log 15, like that. Okay, so these are the log base e values. We need to check that value in calculator, then click, we get the values all. Okay, so next we required what? X square. Okay, this is nothing but small x square only. Okay, x square, and here small x y. Okay, so here x square is 1 square 1, 5 square value is 25, 7 square 49, 9 square 81, 12 square value is 144. Okay, now this capital Y, how I said to find these values? Based on these values, log 10, log 15, log 12, log 15, log 21 base e, like that. Okay, so log 10 base e, log 15 base e, log 12 base e, log 15 base e, log 21 base e values are this one. The small x and capital Y. So this value and this value, not small y, this is capital Y. So 1 into 2.302, 5 into 2.7080, 7 into 2.48, like that multiply, you get all these values. Required summation small x value, add this. Summation capital Y value required, add this. Summation x square, this is summation xy. Now we have two normal equation. Now substitute here. Okay, what that normal equations? Normal equation, first normal equation is this one. Using that table, summation y value is what? 13.248. okay, check here. Summation y is what? 13.248. Substitute. N means how many observations they given? 1 2 3 4 5. So that's why n value is what? 5. Here n value is what? Next summation capital Y is what? 13.248. and summation x value is what? Small x value is what? 34. So that's why I written here 34. So that's why this equation becomes like this. So 5a plus 34b equal to 13.248. So this is the second normal equation. By using that table, summation xy value right here, okay, and summation x value right here, and summation x square value right here, we get this is the normal equation. So these two equations also we can solve by using calculator. Okay, we need to click on mode setup. After that equation, we get anx plus bny cn, then click on that, we get 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so after entering 5 34 13.248 and next row is 34 394.142, we get the values. That first value is what? Capital A, and second value is what? Small b. But we required small a. Capital A is nothing but what? Log a base e. We taken that capital A equal to log a, nothing but here nothing is there, means I taken here e, log a base e. Why? Because here e is there now, that's why I taken base e. Okay, so next here what you got? A formula is log a base e. For convenience, I taken this value LHS and this value is RHS. To remove logarithm, we can write this by the definition of logarithm. Otherwise, we can write this is what? A equal to this e becomes base and a becomes power. A equal to e power a. This how we get this? Based on the definition of logarithm. A equal to e power a means we can write log a base e equal to a. This is what? Definition. So by the definition, this e becomes base and a becomes power. Now we required small a now, so substitute here capital A value. What you got? 2.2484. This value we can find by using calculator. So a value is what? 9.47. So we got b value and a value. So substitute here. Already we got here capital A and small b. We want small a, that's why we found like this. Now small a and small b, small a and small b, substitute here. This is a and this is b. So this is the required curve we fit for the given data. Okay, thank you ma, please subscribe.